Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to upload an Android Studio project to your GitHub. I am using Android Studio Flamingo. I am showing you how to upload a project file into your GitHub repository. First of all, what we have to do is click on Files in here, then click Settings. Then in this setting window, you have to click on Version Control. In Version Control, select GitHub. Click on GitHub. Then it will pop up a new screen and click Add Account. Login with token. Now you have to generate a token. Then click on Generate. It will open your web browser. Before that, make sure to log into your GitHub using that web browser. Then press Enter in here. You see it is created a token. What we have to do is just copy this token. It is copied. Now go back to your Android Studio. What you have to do is press Ctrl and V and copy paste this token. Then click Add Account. It actually added my sample account in here. What we have to do is press Apply, then OK. Then what we have to do is go to Git in here. Then click on GitHub, then share project on GitHub. It is so repository name. I will keep that as the app. Actually, what is my project name? And I don't give a description right now in here. Then I cite. It is aid invalid repository name because there is a space. I just remove that space and click share. Okay, it is asked me to, you would like to add these things. If you like to add everything, I don't make any changes. I just click add. Now it is actually been uploaded into my GitHub. It is takes some time. You have to wait until it is submitted. It is actually in progress. Just go back and check your GitHub. It is not yet uploaded, but just wait. A successfully shared project on GitHub. Then go back to GitHub. And then what I have to, I just refresh this my site. There's actually my repository has been added. Okay, thank you guys.